Hi everyone, my name is Sophia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another college week in my life. If you've seen my other one, then you know that I'm a teaching and learning major, but I was in student teaching back then. I'm not in student teaching anymore. I'm not going to get into that, but I'm not. And yeah, I still have classes and I just finished an assignment with my friend Zainab, which you guys saw in my college week in my life, that one. And if you guys watched that video, you know that we got critters. We got mealworms to take care of for 6 weeks. And so we took care of them. And now we had to do like an observation and like tests and experiments and things like that, like on the mealworms and like how it went with the population that we got. So yeah, we did that. And then today we're getting a new fridge and a new dishwasher because our dishwasher broke and our fridge has been kind of broken for the past months. So we're getting a new fridge and I'm gonna organize it when they get here and just really revamp our fridge. I'm gonna go to the dollar store probably later and get some containers and stuff. But for now, I don't really know how I'm gonna organize it, but I am gonna organize it later. And I'm excited because I love organization. So watch me organize our fridge and all of that today. And yeah, I don't know what else I'll do other than that. And then I have therapy at 5 on the phone though, not in person. So I'm gonna just stay home. But yeah, I'm just chilling right now at home. I just uploaded my current favorites video, which you guys have probably already watched. If you haven't, then go check out my current favorites video. It's the last video that I posted. But yeah, that's life today. So I'm here with Valeria.
Hi.
We made it to Katz's and we're gonna have dessert. What'd you get?
I got the Oreo cheesecake.
And I got a 7-layer chocolate cake.
Yeah.
Loving. Alright guys, I'm back home from seeing Valeria. An update on our fridge situation. So basically, the people came to install the fridge and the dishwasher that we got, and it took a really long time because there was a part missing or something. I don't really know what happened. But here's our old fridge. We're gonna keep it. We're gonna put it in the garage, but the garage is a mess right now, so it's just there for a second, or for a few days, until we figure out the garage situation. But this is our new fridge. Let me show you guys it. This is the new fridge. It's like a stainless steel fridge, and then it goes with this dishwasher that we also got. So now we have like stainless steel appliances, and then we have to switch the cooktop and the oven, and then we're gonna get rid of that. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. Basically, the microwave and oven situation is connected in our house, and one of the things broke. The microwave broke, so we have a microwave over here that we use instead of it, but we want to get rid of the microwave and oven situation and get just an oven and get a new cooktop because our cooktop vent broke. Just appliances break over time, and it's just time to get new ones. And it was time to get a new fridge and dishwasher because our dishwasher broke recently and we use that all the time, so we needed one. And here's the inside. I started organizing a little bit, but we don't have much groceries, so I don't really know the way that it's gonna look. This opens to its max capacity because the door or the wall is here, so that's as much as it'll open. But yeah, we ordered Russo's today, so we have pizza in there. We have these bins that my dad had bought. They come with like lids on them, but I just put them without the lids and put some fruit in them. So I have oranges in here for my orange juice every day, and then strawberries that I eat every day. And then we need grapes and other fruits that go in the fridge. And then we have Coke Zero and sparkling water in here, and then Sprite Zero, and then eggs and all these like dips and hummus and things like that. And then over here we have like vegetables. My fridge makes that noise. It's really annoying. I think it is notifying me to close the fridge, but I need it to keep it open so I can show you guys. But yeah, and then here's our cheese situation. We have a lot of cheese, so yeah, cheese. And then this is our freezer situation. So it's pretty big freezer, but it's not big enough. Honestly, we have a lot more stuff in our old freezer, so we're probably gonna keep stuff in there. But I put a lot of like our frozen fruits and frozen like desserts and pastries and things like that over here. And my waffles, my protein waffles. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I haven't done anything all day, honestly, because I've been super lazy and just taking it slow. But today I'm gonna decorate for Christmas and Christmas shop with my friend Gio, that you guys all know and love on this channel. She is coming over in a little bit, and we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby to check for Christmas items because they're on sale 50% off right now. So we're gonna go and do a little decorating shopping, or decor shopping, and then we're gonna do a bit of decorating here. Try to put up the tree or something or other. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do today, and maybe we'll get some dinner or something, I don't really know, but we'll see. My dad just took down all the Christmas decor. We have all the pillows up because of the dogs, but yeah, here are all of our ornaments, like the filler ornaments, and then we have other stuff in here, and this tree skirt and all of that stuff. So far we have a star. Yay. All right, this is what we're working with. I'll do a little haul when we get home, but do you approve of the haul?
The gilded pine. Love it.
Merry Christmas. All right, guys, so we just got home, and we're not gonna do the tree as I said before, but I wanted to show you guys what we got. So first thing, you can grab the other bag if you want, is this Merry Christmas sign. It's gold and it just says Merry Christmas. I'm gonna put it on the door under our wreath, and I think it'll be really cute there. It's just like gold and glittery. And then we got a new star for the tree, which I showed at the my dog will not stop barking because my parents are eating, but we got a new star for the tree because I think it's just time, and she's really, really pretty. Then we got this. It's like a set that has like little balls and pine cones, like a cute pear in it, and a pear, and it just has really cute stuff. And I'm gonna put that in like one of our bowls that I have over here, and just put it at the center of the table. And then we got two of these. So this one is taller. This one was $9.99, but it was on sale for 50% off. And then this one was $5.99, or $4.99, sorry. So super cute. And that is not it. There's one more thing.
This one.
And then this one, which is also super, super cute.
Yes.
And I love this one.
Yeah, it's like
I think
gold
it's
and
gonna be-
glittery.
I think it's going to be a really good accent for the fireplace area. I have a vision. And yeah, there's glitter all over us. But hey. Cute. Okay. Alright, so Gio had to go, but I just finished the tree with her. We actually decided to just do it because she had a little bit more time than we thought, and it's fun, and we decided to do it. We finished back there the decor, and then we put up the tree. The star's a little wobbly. I don't know what's going on with that, but here is the tree. It's all white and gold, or not white and gold, sorry, red and gold, with a little red tree skirt. Super cute. We have so many cute little ornaments, fairies, angels, nutcrackers. This is me. You guys have seen this last year. My sister over here, my dad, and my mom. Super cute. We've had that for years. We've also had these stockings for years. My mom made them. We're going to change them out just because my mom's not really a big fan of them anymore, but she made them when we were younger. We have the Radio City Music Hall nutcracker. We have the little decor on the mantle, and then underneath the fireplace we have the stuff we bought from Hobby Lobby. Overall, a fun and festive day. I'm gonna go to sleep and I'm gonna finish this stuff tomorrow and try to decorate a little bit more. We might get a little bit more decorations with my mom or something, I don't know. We also put in the, I don't know if you guys can see, the little pine cone things, fillers in a little bowl at the center of the table. So yeah. Hi everyone, next day here. It's the next day here. My face is breaking out and not cute. It's like super red and irritated, but we're just gonna course through the day and hopefully it'll be less irritated later on. I want to get different gel. I want to try that. My friend Zainab told me to try it because it's been working for her. So I think I'm gonna get different gel. I think I might just order it on Amazon because I saw it on Amazon for a little bit cheaper. So anyways, right now I'm going to get Chick-fil-A breakfast because I really want some, and then I'm going to go to the dollar store to get my students from student teaching some stuff because I'm going to say goodbye to them on Friday, and it's going to be really sad. But yeah, I actually got them, let's take you guys to the kitchen. I actually got them some Pop It keychains that they like love, so I'm going to put that in their gift, and then I'm going to put like a lollipop and maybe some stickers or something. But here are like the Pop It keychains, and I have a bunch of them. So yeah, that's the vibe. I will see you guys later. All right, I'm back from the dollar store. I only got them 2 things because I couldn't really find much. So I got these 4 packs of ring pops, and I'm gonna put 1 in each little baggie, and I couldn't find baggies, so that sucks. And then I got them crazy straws just for funsies. So yeah, crazy straws, ring pops, and Pop-Its. I don't know, I just thought it would be cute. All right, so Friday I'm going to say goodbye to my kids from student teaching. So I decided to make them these little baggies full of little treats and gifts. So I have a ring pop in there, a crazy straw, this little mini Play-Doh that's scented, and then a Pop-It. I have my skincare headband on right now. Cute. I have to go and take off my makeup and like get ready for bed. But yeah, I also had a ring pop, so if my mouth is a little blue or my tongue is blue or something, then don't say anything, it's fine. I already know. But yeah, I'm really sad to say goodbye. I built a really big connection with these students, and they are literally my heart and soul. But there's just reasons why I had to quit student teaching or stop student teaching. And so yeah, it's the end of an era, but a lot of other things will come from this. So yeah. All right, so that's it for the vlog. I completely forgot to film an outro, and I completely forgot to film the rest of the week, but I feel like I have enough footage to make a whole vlog out of it. So this is just gonna be days in my life, a week in my life, kind of. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed decorating for Christmas with us and seeing my friends and the vlog and stuff like that. I love vlogging, so I hope that you guys enjoy these vlogs because I am gonna continue making them. Just because I love looking back and stuff. I watch my vlogs a lot of times when I feel like I am missing a memory or something and I just want to like relive it. I watch my vlogs. So yeah. And I love like college vlogs because this is like the time of my life where I feel like I'm gonna want to look back and like show my kids and stuff. So I don't know, that's why I like vlogging. But yes, I hope you guys have an amazing day, night, week, month, life. I say that in all the videos. It's like my slogan now. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.